All right, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start a digital dropshipping store that's doing $65,000 a month. So we've actually taken a look at this business already on the channel, but today I'm going to show you actually how to build it. For those of you guys who haven't seen the video, no worries, let me just quickly do a recap. So what these guys are doing is they're selling a digital planner. Okay, this product isn't unique by any means, but it has a ton of features. Okay, it has a ton of features. So all you do is go ahead and go to this page and you're going to see what they're selling. So it's an ease up digital planner. It helps you boost productivity, saves time, customizable to your needs, instant download, one-time payment, no subscription, and you get access to this ultra high-end digital planner that lets you basically go ahead and improve your life. Now, the way that they're driving traffic is by using simple image and video ads such as this, where it says, this planner lasts just 1 year, and then they're scratched out and forever because you just need to buy one planner. Okay, very, very simple business. Then what happens when you click learn more here is instead of being taken to their actual product page, you're taken to this page that we call the 5 reasons why page. So not showing you the price first, they're showing you all the reasons you want to purchase this product. Keep what you love about paper without limits. 5 reasons why thousands of paper planner users are making their switch. So all the 5 reasons. And then once you understand the reasons and once you're like, oh, this product is cool, then you click get organized today. And that's when you're introduced to the price. And there's a lot more. So you read about the price, but when you scroll down, you also read about all the different features about what makes this planner great. Now, a lot of us, we really don't necessarily have the time to build these type of amazing product pages. First, we need this article style page. Then we need this amazing, nice product page. This is where I come in, where I will now show you how you can launch any digital dropshipping business using pages just like this. So the first thing that we are going to need to do is we're going to need to go to shopfunnels.net. So once we're inside shopfunnels.net and once we click templates, go to funnels, pre-built dropshipping stores, you will see that a premium template has been added. So ShopFunnels actually has 2 things. It has full businesses in a box. So this thing is actually a completely built out business. It has products added in already. It has suppliers linked. So there's very little for us to do. Just click start with this funnel and we have this funnel imported into our account. So this is very, very easy for us to do. Okay. And we've been doing that for a really, really long time. But now what ShopFunnels has started to do is started to add these premium templates. So in this one, this is just the pages that we can use. Okay. And this is meant to be used as a template and you add in your products. Okay. So once you figure out whatever your digital dropshipping product is, the goal for you is to use pages like this to be able to sell it. Okay, so this template is now added and it works exactly as you'd expect and looks very, very much the same. We've not copied any of this, by the way. All of this has been through AI and has been changed. So even the images look very, very similar. They've all been through AI. They've all been changed as well. So that you're not essentially copying anything. These are all of your own assets. So if you want to sell your own digital planner, you can use this template. Or if you want to sell any other digital dropshipping product, you can choose this template. Okay, so once you're inside of ShopFunnels, you go here, create a funnel, go to premium dropshipping templates, go to the premium template, the digital planner one, select it, and then name it. So I'm going to call it digital planner. Okay, now I have this entire website template loaded up into my ShopFunnels account ready for me to use. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a digital product and assume I'm selling something. Okay, so there are tons of digital planners that we can sell. Now, typically what you're going to want to do is the easiest way to essentially create a digital product is to purchase one that already exists and improve upon it. Okay, so there are a ton of these that already exist. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, let's say you like this digital planner, it's a minimalist one. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to buy this Okay, then what you're going to want to do is I'm actually going to show you exactly what. Okay, you're going to want to go to Fiverr. I've done this multiple times where I work with like document experts and graphic designers essentially to be able to go through this and make it a lot better, or do simple changes. Like for example, this is following a like a beige theme. Maybe you change it to a blue theme, okay? And you download it and you change up all of the templates, okay? So basically, I'm just gonna go to Fiverr right now, and I'm gonna go look at a digital document expert, Photoshop, Photoshop document editing. Photoshop, hold on, I'm just gonna bring it up, okay? And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna talk to one of these individuals, okay? And now all of these guys, what they have is Photoshop editing skills, okay? You're gonna wanna talk to these individuals and you're gonna say, hey, I have this digital planner that I've purchased. This is amazing, it's 600 pages. Okay, it's 600 pages, so there's a work here. But what I want you to do is go ahead and change up the entire design of all of these pages so that I have something that I can sell. That's a little bit of a longer method to be able to do this. A shorter method is to go to PLR. Just type in PLR and you will have, done for you PLR content courses. So this is plr.me. Okay. Now what you go over here and do is you type in digital planner. Okay. Now when you go here, type in digital planner, you're going to have tons of different digital products that you can use. Okay, and these digital products are ready to sell. So you can have essentially, I can go here and I can type in and look for, where is it? Worksheets. Okay, now when I look for worksheets, okay, there's all of this. For example, there's time management and procrastination. Okay, now this thing has 75 products inside. It's a single download. It has articles, it has blog posts, it has all of this information that's included. 40 products are included in this, okay? So what you do is you pay once, okay? You pay once, and then you are basically allowed to resell this time management and procrastination bundle. So all of this digital information that's in here, okay? And there's a lot. There's articles in here. There's so many different things that are in here. There's like organizational skills in here. There's a lot of information in here. So you can basically go ahead and sell this, okay? And there's different niches. So for example, let's go here to all. And what I want to do is actually sell not like a coach, like a coaching program. And then I can go planning. Okay, now this is a full course. Okay, so let's go planning. Okay, now this is basically digital dropshipping. Okay, there is a reach as high as you can bundle, right? There is a success brain course. Okay, so let's go to the brain course. Okay, now this course bundle again has all of this information in here, okay, of how to set smart goals, how to develop a success mindset, and essentially you have now courses, email sequences, Facebook ads, landing pages, sales pages, everything you need to be able to sell this particular thing. Okay, it has all of this. You purchase it once and then you are able to sell it again and again. So there are two ways to develop digital products. You can either purchase something and make it better, or you can purchase it outright from plr.me and you are able to then sell it as your own. Okay, so now let's say you have the product secured. Okay, for example's sake, I'm just going to assume that I have gotten this, I've purchased it, and now I have this available for me to sell. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to do is obviously sell it, right? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to download all of these. Save video as, can I save it as a GIF? I don't know what's going to save this video as, but I'm just going to go ahead and start saving all of these images, and I'll tell you why in a second. Okay, now let's say you have this minimalist planner. Okay, so now what we're going to go ahead and do is start writing all of our copy. Okay, so now that we have all of this thing, we're just going to go ahead, obviously download. Now that you have the product, you have to go ahead and sell it, right? Now, typically what people do is they go to Shopify and they download a theme and they go ahead and sell it. No, we're not going to do it that way. We know that this business makes around $65,000 a month selling digital products this way. We're going to basically use this as our template and go ahead and start selling this particular product. Okay, now typically what I'm going to do, what I like to do is I like to go ahead and use ChatGPT for this. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go to my AI Ecom Ad Academy. Link to the AI Ecom Ad Academy is down below. I'm going to go to AI copywriting and I'm going to go to create compelling copy for your stores and pages. Okay, this is the prompt I'm going to use to write all my copy. Okay, so I'm going to go to new copywriting prompt. This will allow me to help me create insane copy. I'm going to copy this prompt. Then what I'm going to go ahead and do, by the way, link to the AI Ad Academy. If you want it, just go ahead and comment down below and I'll give it to you. Okay, then I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to create a new chat. I'm showing you all of this so you guys can start writing insane copy for yourself. Okay, then I'm just going to paste this in. Okay, now it's basically going to act like a master copywriter. Okay, then we're going to go here and we're going to train this on what the product is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to copy all of this in. Okay, I'm going to assume that I've given it to a document editor who has gone ahead and changed all of this. Okay, so I will go to now ChatGPT and be like, okay, so this is my product. Okay, first thing is, can you come up with a nice name for it? Okay, and then boom, what ends up happening is it's going to go ahead and start naming it. Okay, the life design, the best self blueprint. I love this, the best self blueprint. Okay, then I'm just going to go here. I'm going to call it the best self blueprint. Okay, now that I have a really cool name for it, okay, I'm be like, okay, now help me write. What is this? This is an article, right? So this is an article for the 5 reasons why somebody should get it. Okay, so we go here, like, help me write. See the name that I picked, it picked for it as well. Okay, now help me write an article, and this prompt is really, really good. So you don't have to work at it a lot because I've trained this prompt to study under the best copywriters of all time, right? So this is going to be giving you really good copy. So I'll help me write an article about the 5 reasons why someone should, 5 reasons why people all over the world are using the best self blueprint. Okay, give me a headline, subheadline, then 5 reasons with each having its own description. Okay, that's it. Boom, it's going to start writing some insane copy. Okay, why thousands are replacing their paper planners with this life-changing digital tool. I'm going to put that in here, right? And then actually, let me just put this here. Okay, cool. So then we're going to, it has, from overwhelmed to in control, great, right? This is why I'm able to launch really fast, right? Hold on. Plan anywhere, anytime. Okay, it's not just a planner, it's a personal operating system. It's 100% customized. Like, I'm not even, like, it's 100% customized to fit your life, no other way around. It works seamlessly. So whatever your digital product is, here you go. You have, like, it's designed for balance, not just hustle, right? Look at the, just incredible. It's trusted by thousands across 40 countries. Okay, there you go. You have incredible copy. That's here. Now, we basically can use ChatGPT to create digital images, but for example's sake, I've just downloaded some of these images from this person. Okay, and let's go to downloads. Okay, let's go ahead and put some of these images in. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we've put all of these images in, right? I'm going to go ahead and start adding them to here. I'm just showing you this because this is how easy it is for you to now start building a digital dropshipping business. Okay, this is how simple it is. Now, if you were to do this with Shopify, raise your hand if you know how much time something like this would take. We're like literally, we're speed running through this, but all of it is almost done. Okay, and that's it. Now you're basically, your funnel is ready. You've imported all the images and the text. We can go here and we can do the same thing where we can essentially change up the name, right? To what is it? It's called the Best Balanced Life, right? It's called the Best Self Blueprint. We're going to call this Best Self Blueprint here. We're going to go ahead and change the name. We're going to add our image, right, of the Best Self Blueprint, and that's it. Okay, now when someone clicks Get Your Planner Now, what ends up happening is they go all the way down to here, where this is where they can get their planner. Okay, we go to store. Okay, we go to products. Okay, and there's a bunch of these different products added in, right? We can go ahead and delete them. We don't need all of these. Okay, we'll just keep one of them. Okay, and we're going to call it the Best Self Blueprint. Okay, we're going to call it the Best Self Blueprint. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and change the image to ours, and that's it. All that's left for us to do is make sure that this is a digital product. We can add the digital product file here as well. So I'm just going to add this, but you can just drop your PDF here, whatever it is that you want. We click Save Changes. We go to the builder. Okay, we go to our product page. Okay, we see here where the checkout will happen right here. They don't go to a separate cart page. This increases conversions by a lot. Boom. No shipping methods available. No shipping methods are needed. So don't ask for don't ask for address when selling digital products. Okay, hold on. So that's that should be now put into place. Okay, let's go here. Get your digital planner now. Right, and that's it. Boom. All you have to do is put in your customer information. Once you attach your payment method over here, you can start accepting payments, and that's it. This is how simple it is to start generating revenue from digital products. Okay, now I sell digital products all the time. In fact, I want to show you a screenshot of one of my funnels that's generated over 2K in sales, purely digital, and I drive digital product sales from organic. Okay, so let me show you that funnel. So I just took a screenshot of it. This is a screenshot. I've already made like 2K, 261 orders, $10 average cart. It's just a $9 product that I'm selling. And I've already generated over 2K and 261 orders with this. Okay, it's all driven through organic marketing. People just come on the funnel, like the digital product and buy it. But this is essentially free money because we're not paying someone else the cost of the product. And I do this all through funnels, through well-designed product pages, through value-added products that make people want to spend money with you. Okay, so with that being said, guys, that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to launch your digital dropshipping products in 2025 using sales funnels and using premium templates. Okay, now if you've stuck this far till the end of the video, what are your next steps? How can you go ahead and launch your own digital dropshipping business? Well, there are three things that you can do. The first thing is I want you to understand how digital dropshipping works. So I've put together a masterclass. It's 2 hours long. It goes over physical dropshipping, but also you should watch it just in case you want to learn about how to build funnels and why funnels are important and why you should be working with product pages that I shared with you. Okay. The next thing is if you're ready to start selling digital dropshipping products, just do it with my premium templates. You will skip months of work. Okay, and you can start for as low as $1 because it's just $1 to join, and then you can start using all of these premium templates. All right, and then finally, if you're someone who wants to work with me personally, you want me to build your funnel, you want me to do your ads, and you want me to help you launch your store, plus you want to talk to me every single day, meet up with me every single week, and go over your business, well, then you want to be in the elite program, and it's for as cheap as $49 a month. Okay, that's how cheap the elite level is. So check that out as well if you want to start working with me one-on-one. I'm going to do a lot more digital dropshipping content, so watch out for that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below for a chance to win a one-on-one coaching call with me. I leave it till the end of the video because I only want it for those that really want to improve their lives, work with me, and watch all my content till the end. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.